That is just, to me, that is the iconic look of a modern fireplace, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, there's a great French designer, Dominique Imberg, who decided in the 60s that he needed a classic look with a modern suspended design. So it's a very cutting-edge fireplace.
So you say suspended. I mean, it literally will hang from its stovepipe or maybe off the wall, but it's going to be up off the ground.
That's right.
That beautiful shape right there.
Absolutely. So it comes off the ground roughly about 20 inches to here.
Okay.
Okay. And then the pipe suspends up to the top. The cover disc up top.
Yep.
Okay, and the pipe just has a clean finish up to the top and exhausts right out the top.
And the material that what you guys are hanging for us, what is this?
This is a high-grade steel, handcrafted in France for each job.
That is beautiful. And again, that shape is just, it's unmistakable. So in order to get this in, you guys gave us a very specific protocol for how we needed to build the wall behind it. Walk us through that.
Absolutely. So the important thing about a fireplace is it gets hot, and in order to prevent any kind of fire hazards, what we do is we require a metal stud installation down here on the bottom. The next thing is a fire-rated insulation.
This is mineral wool in this case.
That's right. Then you have your commercial grade cement board that's put in, and then the wall is plastered from there. Okay, at that point, we take our wall bracket for the fireplace, attached to the studs, and it's designed and engineered to support the weight of the fireplace.
There is a gas line that has been run by our plumber. The nipple is right there.
That's right.
We've chosen for gas. It could burn wood.
Absolutely it can. This is both a wood-burning fireplace and a gas fireplace too, so it's a great option for homeowners.
Okay. What does the firebox part weigh?
This firebox weighs about 200 pounds. Hey Kevin, so we have our flue pipe here, and as you can see, it's manufactured from the same high-grade steel as the fireplace itself. Inside we have the welded bracket here with the set screw, and what that does is it fastens it to the top of the fireplace.
Gotcha.
A little further down here we have an operable damper, so for wood-burning fireplaces you can open and close it, but in our case we'll be doing gas, so we will fasten this open. Got it, got it. Now let's turn that damper. Great. Excellent. So what's going to happen is, as you see that's coming through there, that's called a collar.
Yep.
And that's going to fit inside of that, which you'll see here shortly. And then you're going to see screws. Those holes there are for screws to fasten it together to assure that you get a nice tight seal. And what you're looking at here is a 24-volt, 38,000 BTU vented gas burner. And it's a pretty simple install. You drop it into the burner and set it into place. And then as you get inside there, you'll see that there's a gas hookup that goes to it.
Right. That's a lot of BTUs, so this is not just for ambiance. That's going to throw some heat.
Absolutely. So when you're drafting a fireplace, some of your heat does escape up through your exhaust, and a lot of your heat does come out into the room as well, so it's a great secondary source for heat in a home.
And you are making a statement in our house. This thing is beautiful.
Absolutely.
Thanks to you and your team.
Absolute pleasure, Kevin. Thank you. Love it. Look at that, huh? Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.